Hey, what's up, guys? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today, I'm at a new shop with my truck. The last guy that had my truck had it for a month, a little bit over a month actually. Was trying to charge me quite a bit of money to get it fixed, and I listened to a few guys on my channel that gave me some ideas. Thank you, by the way, everybody that chimed in and hit me up on my phone, emails, and everything like that, just to give me an insight, what to check before I go too deep into the truck and fixing it and stuff like that. So the last mechanic was telling me that I needed a lift pump, which is the prime pump to prime the engine, which I think that was bad anyway because it wouldn't prime. It wasn't, when you push the primary, it's supposed to get hard. It didn't get hard. We changed the fuel water separator. That's a small change. That probably didn't need to be changed, but we changed that. He changed the fuel lines and everything like that too. But the main cost was going to be that fuel injection pump, which I told you guys that's like $2,800 to rebuild it, and the guy was charging me like $2,000 just to take it off and put it on. But so thanks to my boy Jason, he referred me to a mechanic shop, which is where I'm at right now. And the guy had it maybe 2 days. And I don't think he worked on it for 2 days. He had it at the shop for 2 days, and basically changed the wastegate on the turbo, which was bad. The internal part of the turbo was good. So I ordered a turbo for nothing. I still got the turbo. Maybe I can return it. But we changed the wastegate on there. And I think there's a fuel solenoid or something like that that's supposed to open at high speeds to give you more fuel pressure or more fuel. That wasn't opening up all the way. So basically, all he did was spray some WD-40 on it and got it loose, and so it can open up and adjust it and everything like that. So today, I'm gonna take the truck on a test run. He said he took it himself, and he got up to 70 miles per hour up a little bridge down the street like 3 times, and everything worked fine. So today, very excited. I'm gonna take it for a drive and see what happens. Hope everything works fine. I'm gonna take y'all along. Let's go. All right, y'all, we're in the truck, taking it for a test drive. Just got it back. So far, so good. Waiting to get on the little highway over here just to test it out to see how it runs. But last time I had it, there's no way I could have got this far where I am right now. It would have started acting up. As soon as I pull up to the light, it would have just died on me. So we're gonna give it a test on this little straightaway. Hopefully we can top it off. I know this truck maxed out at 70 miles per hour, so that's what it cruises at. So we're gonna do that on this little bridge over here. Stay tuned. All right, we're getting on the Gandy Bridge down here in South Tampa. Light's just climbing up. I mean, it's a 4-cylinder, so we're not gonna get there real fast. It's meant to carry weight, not go really fast. So doing pretty well. I'm gonna go over the speed limit a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But just to test it out. Still going. Still climbing. Nice, beautiful day in Florida. Good day to go fishing. Yeah, man, she going pretty well. So we can top it off at 70. So we're going over the hill now. She ain't really going too high on the hill. But I think when we start going downhill, it'll pick up. I'm not sure. I let the mechanic know about that, but she's going. Yeah, there she goes. Quite 70. We used to cruise at 70 before, but we're not quite there. But it's not, no, it's not declining. Last time it started declining. We're heading back now towards the shop. Like, she's climbing up to 70 this time. She's getting there. Not sure what it is. She's cruising at 70 now. We were on this part earlier. We'll see if she loses some power when we go over that little hump over there. Oh, we ain't got 71. Okay. Go over this little hump and watch it. She dialed back a little bit. You see it? She dialed back a little bit. 65. Alright guys, see you at the shop. This is my baby here. So yeah, we had a new shop here in Tampa. I had to have it towed here, so I wasted money towing it to another place just to tow it back to Tampa, and wasted over a month. So luckily I had my boy EJ, Steve, my boy Hashim, Chris, Jason that helped me out, you know. But we got her back. All right guys, as you saw, the truck runs well. The little part that went over when I was going over the bridge when we went 65, he says, you know, that's been common on these trucks, I guess. It says it's a small engine, 4-cylinder engine, so he said there's no problem with that. I shouldn't have no issues, but we're back at the shop. I'm gonna have him top off my AC because you guys saw how it's been in Florida lately, man. So we're gonna go ahead and top off the AC and check it out and see, you know, if we can get that thing to freeze up on me. So let's go check him out. Alright y'all, that is it. I got the baby going home now. Actually gonna swing up with my boy Jason to Pressure Washer Products at Lori's just to grab some stuff. And we'll be back at work tomorrow, man. So y'all stay tuned. I'll see y'all in the morning. Peace.